Okay, this is kind of crazy. I haven't been in Koh Samui in 23 years. I was here 1996 and I stayed on the beach. And there's an elephant that went by and I stayed in on a little hut, like a little nipa hut kind of thing. But now I'm in Koh Samui and I'm staying with a mall right there. I feel like I'm in Honolulu or something like that. This is unbelievable. Have really nice bathrooms. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so I'm gonna film. This is called Cozy. And we're just gonna film and go out. So this is the lobby. It's really hard to get in and out of this hotel. So now I think this is the mall. I'm gonna show this guy. So now we're at the mall. And I think that we can just walk through the mall. And I saw my hotel room, which was over there. And now we're in kind of an indoor mall. It's pretty cool. Yeah. And it's Christmas. So I think we just went through the mall and now we're on the street. Okay. Dang. So my hotel is right over there on the other side of this mall. And right now we're just gonna explore. Which what I'm gonna try to do is find the beach, if I can find it. And I think we're gonna go across. So yeah, this is Koh Samui. So yeah, I haven't been here in 23 years. So yeah, I stayed in like right on the beach, and it was like really mosquito infested. I think it was like maybe $1.50 a night. And basically you just had like a little hut on the beach, and I think I was in a place that was relatively popular. I mean, I didn't really see that many tourists, but I think I would have researched it enough to know. There's the airport right there. This hoodie bikini contest. So I'm kind of rushing a little bit because the sun's gonna set, and I want to find a beach before it does. I can always explore this other part in the daylight anytime. Oh, Thai massage. Okay, so December 19th is tomorrow. There's a Muay Thai fighting. Over here is Bandai Aussie Bar and Grill. So we're kind of going down a stretch. Peters, okay. We're going down a stretch of commercial activity. Okay. So we're gonna be walking down. Okay, so we're gonna try this camera with a lower resolution because I keep losing the ability to film. Okay, so we're at Koh Samui Beach and the water's coming in. So I'm not sure which way to go. Got a pool here, pool bar. So we're just gonna walk down a little ways. If my GoPro was working, I would have used that, but it's not today. So, okay. Okay, lots of beach bars here. Can I walk? Man, I can't believe I stayed here years ago and it was nothing like this. Nothing. Ooh, that's cold. It was like I was at a completely different place altogether. Man. Unbelievable. Is that coconut? So I think what I'm going to do is walk through this and I had a GoPro camera, but it's only have one battery on me, and that one battery is a faulty one. Yeah, sunset's coming and they got some music and they got pool bar, arc bar. So we're just gonna take the camera until we get around the other side. Looks like they're getting all set up for tonight. Trip to the beach in Koh Samui. Well, actually my second, but my first time since to see anything like this. So yeah, the last time it was nothing like this at all. So we're just gonna keep on viewing here. Yeah, it's amazing. It's like a totally different kind of place. See, it's the airplane right there. So strangely, the airport is nearby. Not too strange because I was able to be here in like a few minutes. So yeah, it's too bad the GoPro wasn't working. I could film this whole one on that and see some pretty cool stuff with that. Okay. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna walk up and down all these resorts. Yeah, when I was here in 1996, I guess I shouldn't say 23 years ago because this will also get dated too. This is kind of cool. So cool. Restaurant. So you can order food right here. So my goal is just to keep on walking, and another time I'll bring the GoPro. Unfortunately, today's not that day. Maybe later. Okay. Got some bars at the beaches. So I think I'm going to be including this in a minute. Dang. Look at that. Those. And those or something. What's that? Man.
Chiquinha,